Hello, everybody. So, along with me today is Mr. Sudarshan Kicheri. As we all know, Mr. Sudarshan Kicheri is the CEO of the leading publishing house, Authors Press India. He has published numerous literary collections of various writers from his publishing house that have received significant attention. Mr. Sudarshan Kicheri is a well-known figure in literary circles and is widely acknowledged for his invaluable contribution in promoting literature. So in today's Navraste, he will be talking about publishing English poetry in India. So over to Mr. Sudarshan Kicheri.
Good evening to all. Let me convey my heartfelt condolence to Dr. H.K. Kaul, a veteran who bridged scriptocentric to digicentric knowledge. He is no more with us, has gone with corona phenomena. It is very sad to convey like this, but he might be within us in different form. Maybe the way he was visionary to cryptocentric to digicentric, a veteran digicentric visionary might be living somewhere in our soul as well as around us, maybe because of this corona phenomena. Yes, obviously. Now, let me congratulate ALS team as well as the founder Manoj K. Krishnan. Is a very talented, very dynamic, multiplexity oriented literary figure, young man with vision. So he's giving me an opportunity to address all my digicentric fraternity, although all are sitting at home, almost all. There are so many terminologies existing, which is lockdown. Why? This can also happen. We should accept all the kind of. That is why we are here as human in this arena, which is digicentric arena. We have to accept the phenomena. Why? Because corona, there is no enemy or friend or something like that. It is an action by the supreme. We have to accept it. And the corona phenomena taught us so many things to integrate, and that integrated part, because the moment we realize it, how we can sit at home, because Almighty has provided all kinds of components. Whether you are sitting at home, you can order through online. And how one has to be hygienic, one has to be, you know, distancing as well as connecting. One has to be hygienic. So, what is our assignment today, and how we can execute the assignment sitting at home? Because exorbitant of money we are wasting to going there and coming back, and energy, money, and all these things. Almighty provided all the components of digicentric world. Afterwards, the phenomena came to us, irrespective of the boundary, irrespective of any segregation, allowing us to evolve, emerge, and merge. In that way, nothing is going back, because everything is evolving. All the components Almighty has provided. So we have to express gratitude to the kind of phenomena. Phenomena can be sometimes visible, sometimes can be invisible. We have to express gratitude to the Supreme. Oh Lord, the way you are facilitated so much, we have forgotten to accept in time. So let us accept the kind of opportunity Almighty is providing. So going back and coming back is not just 10,000 years creation of the scriptocentrically driven world. That was a diversity created for the human as a whole, human species as a whole. Now we have to realize, we have to understand the kind of phenomena, the corona phenomena, irrespective of segregation. It is just allowing us to understand how we can evolve further in a digicentric world as a beginner for a beginning in this ALS foundation. You know, this Navarasas, and I'm adding Manoj one word is beyond Navarasas and beyond, because it's in this corona phenomena we are unknowingly learning what is a transformative mood of Navarasas, which is beyond Navarasas and beyond, because every action, every faction got its own transformation. We have to accept it. That is why we are in this arena, because this is not 10,000 years or 8,000 years or 80,000 years or something like that. We might have started lakhs of years back as human, because we started a journey at least from physiocentric to phonocentric to scriptocentric. In scriptocentric, we got lot of diversity, lot of diversity oriented oneness. That is a oneness indigecentric. Indigecentric, we have to start a beginning. That meant is when I'm witnessing so seriously about the corona faction. Corona is not leaving anybody, any region. So it is integrating the one world. We are entering to one world for a purpose, for a cause. May not be we are not aware, because one day we will aware. If it will continue for a year or so, definitely we will find an alternative how we can live, how we lived in corona phenomena. So that can be carried forward for further exploration, further individual exploration. So in is 6 months, I think last I went to Orissa for introducing Poipro. What is Poipro? People ask me what is Poipro. It can be poetry also, it can be prose also. So both would be like a husband and wife. It would be integrated to one entity, which is Poipro. I introduced in 23rd February in Orissa. Afterwards, there is no outing. So sitting at home, look within, not only within means what? Whatever the facility we Almighty has provided you, you have to take care of. So going back is certain, coming back also certain, because our karma and our deeds. So we are assigning one by one. We have to understand irrespective of segregation, irrespective of any kind of compartmentalized, we have to enjoy all the faction till such time we will enter to the eternal journey. We will finish the eternal journey. The flow is the momentum is so continuing. So that might be the reason. In 6 months, I think there was huge vacuum because of my preoccupation in this publication venture. Sitting at home and a lot of opportunities getting, where exactly we left it because of the busy schedule. So many things I learned it. So it was a really a look within opportunity. I utilized it. This is a message I'm giving. I wanted to give this digital fraternity, how we can rapidly integrate the kind of components in us, and how we can more fruitful plateau we have to create in this Langlit or Litlang or whatever the literary festival. We should not leave whatever the facility. If we can go by this live or Zoom or whatever the facility in Digicentric, we have to make use of all these things, so that we have to transform every moment, because our assignment is not just compartmentalized writer. You know, our duty is to integrate, and whatever the invisible explorations we are having in this digicentric world. As a beginner, we have to enter, because in the digicentric scriptocentric about 5,000 years back started, maybe 8,000 years or so it started. Now we are entered to another paradigm, because of sometimes this Gayatri mantra is this spear to this spear to this spear uplift. Oh, we are always praying, but after giving the rewards of your prayer, we are not realizing it. it is very unfortunate because we got writing as well as publishing, and they both should be, it is one component. It is not a commodity. Publishing is not a commodity. It is a right assignment by the Supreme. We have to understand, and we have to motivate people. If you are not going out and physically, it is not necessary also this kind of platform. As much as Manoj, in 2.5 years, the Manoj, the way you utilized without any hindrance, the way then you got an opportunity to physically meeting people every quarter 3 months, and you conducted so many good programs, and it should be continued so that people should aware in this platform, this Zoom platform, this webinar platform, the live platform. We have to use the facility provided by the Almighty, the Supreme, because we are not. I'm saying one more thing. It is the lack of divinity is also in the writing faculty, that also to be addressed. Until unless we will not address this kind of the divinity which accumulated from the scriptocentric diversity, and entered to the digicentric oneness. Digicentric oneness and corona faction is also obviously is giving a platform to understand further, understand the inverse explorations without any hindrance or something like that. And country wise also, you understand, you have to self-reliant. How one has to be self-reliant, because limited space, obviously it is not needed at all. That is more, we have to enjoy the kind of facility we are taking from the Supreme. So this is a great opportunity, irrespective of any segregation, irrespective of any boundary. The human species also getting an opportunity to realize why it is, because one virus is giving an opportunity to them to think to how we can explore the invisibles. I think we are already adjusted with the kind of things now. uh, Prime Minister also address, Vistar, or Vistar or because which we wanted to choose. It is up to us. It is look within. That is Corona is talking. This is not the time to Vistar. Look within. How we can confine to our expectations, the kind of expectations, societal expectation, because we have to be minimize with our minimum needs. That is also Corona faction allow, teaching us this kind of writings are also expecting from this writers fraternity. And we have to invent more different subject, other than the kind of, degeneric divinity and faction oriented divinity that we integrated. Because one day, once upon a time, I made a mandala. What is a temple church must should be integrated to shelter, uh, to make a shelter and be a refuge over there. That kind of system, because Corona, it was addressed about 25 years back. I made a mandala, the one world mission, the vision of future existence. If that is happening today, uh, because of Corona faction, so I think this is a great platform for Manoj, also Manoj, the ALS, because your enthusiasm is not a discontinuing, but exactly you have to try to execute it. And we have to express the gratitude, the kind of platform we got to address, because you, the team got a tendency, attitude to, or rather an aptitude to execute the kind of literary treasury to execute the human fraternity. It will be continued. Thank you so much.